To make your own scented carpet freshener, you'll need the following: a stainless steel mixing bowl, a sieve, digital weighing scales, a 500-gram shaker bottle, a stainless steel mixing spoon, and a set of nitrile gloves. You'll also need 490 grams of sodium bicarbonate and 10 grams of pet odor eliminator fragrance oil. First, use your sieve to sift 490 grams of sodium bicarbonate into your mixing bowl. Next, zero your scales and add 10 grams of pet odor eliminator fragrance oil into the same bowl. Make sure you're wearing your gloves and begin to mix the fragrance oil with the sodium bicarbonate with your fingers. Work out any clumps as you go by rubbing the mixture between your palms and breaking up the mixture with your fingers. When you're done, no clumps should remain in the mixture. Once the powder and fragrance oil are fully combined, use a large spoon or a funnel to carefully transfer the mixture into your shaker bottle and pop your lid back on. You can start to use your scented carpet freshener straight away, although we recommend allowing the mixture to fully dry out for a few days. When using your carpet freshener, keep the children or pets away from the room until it's been fully vacuumed. Sprinkle sparingly on your carpet, wait 5 minutes, and then thoroughly hoover until no powder remains. We recommend regular cleaning and emptying of your vacuum when using any type of carpet freshener product, and that you always test in an inconspicuous area first. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe to Craftovator's YouTube channel.